Ahee, namukela kambe ka Pastor Xitsonga analyst. Channel, yeah, of course, I'm the take like better than the president. No, nga ta king link, of course, na Dr. Stole. Yeah, and then I'm of course the take the line so go. Yeah, so kasi of course at the 18th of February, fika ngana ka account ya mraka phanda better president. Fika ngana alfa ngoma go aku busy blend kuna a post nga fika itsariwa. Tanihi to of course kuna beef continue between Benin president and also Dr. Stole. Yeah, so fika yibona Benin president they wrote Mangovo section 2, and then kuva na to kwala na the gloves. So obvious Mangovo nkuna switiva Mangovo, of course it's Dr. Stole, mkulu yena Dr. Stole, and nga tshama nkombisa Mangovo mos. So Mangovo kahle kahle xivitaniwa banded mangoes, as you can see kwala, and then scientific name kona veri mungo, as you can see. So hi xo Mangovo loko ku na Mangovo ku vuriwa this animal xi va xi ndisedi xo na Mangovo xa ko vona mhaka leyi i type ya so hi xona Mangovo vona mhaka leyiwa it's this animal loko ku na Mangovo, as you can see kwalani yona animal ya kona leyi vitaniwaku Mangovo yaleyo ya endlisa swo yona shape ya yona, as you can see ti hindza kwalani. You can search ku mangoes, you'll see it's this animal xi na vukondlo nyana ri kulukumba so the way xi langutisaka xi na vukondlo nyana xikarhi so shape ya xona, as you can see kwala. Yeah, hopefully what are some time coming that the animal should no search online very. And then he wrote section 2. So section 2 mago all over ngopfu. Sho all over. And in 2012 aku humina album of course ya Jambatan. Yale of course Benin president he was featured. So akuna sime very la Mangovo la. So le obviously show written was section 1. Aku part 1. So Benin Mangan, yeah, since it's indicating section 2, it means it's actually a part 2. A part 2 ya resimu. The Rugia Taiwan beef, that's what it's basically trying to say. So since part 1, I gonna say Jambatan. I wish that Benin president if I feature in an age Jambatan ka section 2. I'm sure less likely because I know no problem between Jambatan and Benin Mangan. There's a huge problem. I will look man straight issue if it mara start to say Jambatan it have gone got the new vision thing at of course. Yes, section 2 Yamango my one makaliwa. Then the last section of course I show no good love layer boxing layer she like song of album 2024 of course no approach agoria is bakele la, which means we are born out in there. I want family line new one the position now of course a bueno out slog nala we been mind the president. The message here is basically trying to say yeah bad Dr. Stole he knock out got this section 2 or before Mangovo yeah part 2 okay. That came the response. Dr. Stole I said I respond. Yeah, no one I posted this poster. I was like, hey, mara beefy enough power, guys. You know power. As you can see, if you want to see invite on the 17, I 17. As you can see, Gagash invited him. And the only reason you invite only, obviously, it's because she looked trend this way. The mango for the beefy laying a go. So beefy not the advantages because I can check out his account very okay. I did the gig. It's very important the device I did the gig because he down a stage a businessman and overall. So I check out the gig. I am going for the gig like in overall. I'm going for the gig. Last long can't say I'm back over 3 and I'm going to know shaka the gig. The corner I missed the post lay. Then the other 2 gigs are going to birthday celebration near you. I'm going to cover that it stage. Then they want to go and around 3. Some come to shaka ngov. So Lia Gagash, it's very clear. I have shaka. So Shula Shungan shot the combo before you look funny. Because as far as I'm concerned, no, I am similar dominating on the ground. So even if you check out the album in terms of the views, so she clear she influencing of him before linga go. This song loko ni kha ni ri cheka like vhele a na ha na ku discredita the album no loko a ni voni ri ku trendeni ni kha ni cheka on his account like a ri loku streamiwini as expected swo hi nga ze hi fika ku swi le ku trendeni hence ni vula ni ku swilo leswi ni subjecta ngopfu to the beef ku hi yona leswaku yi nga influensa ngopfu ma yona mhaka leyi and then of course hi khe hi vuya ka Suku so yeah hi ti 17th of February she was nominated again i khala kha nominatiwa Suku kahle ko munhu wa hina hi tshame hi swi tiva ku tshama ri ku nominatiweni hi mpfhuka yi sungurile show vhiki na vhiki wa nominate so i nominatini of course na van'wana vo tala kwalana hi na mhaka ngopfu na vona yona mhaka leyiwa so obvious a ni munhu ka nominatiwa la i fika evictiwa so hi fike hi ya vota again yeah link yi kona ka Big Brother Mzansi na kona ka channel on top comment tani hi vekele link leyi so very tani swi mi swi tiva ku very hi fika hi click the link ya ni ta vheta ni sungula hi lavo ka va nga za va rejistara fast wa mi fika mi nghena ka link liya mi scrolla mi hansi mi ta fika mi n'wi vona Nsuku la i unique futhi hi ya a fanaka a ri yexe na xi xa red hi ya a nga na xi xa red sweswi mi fika mi n'wi press and then you click on register swilo swa simple then la i vekela mavito tsala mavito ya wena ma ri fake a problem ti username hambi swo va fake the most important thing here it's your number phone na email mara ni nga va prefer ku tirhisa email loko nga yi teki ngopfu serious hi swa online nkarhi wun'wana swa hlupha number phone a yi ve real and then it's out of the province year of birth hambi wo hemba sweswo as long email na number phone ku ri swilo leswi at least i kota ku va i swi access yeah and then la the password and then ye i fika pressa ka accept terms and conditions ntsena leswin'wana hambi u nga accept u nga click leswin'wana and then you click register and then from here va ta senda OTP leswin'wana swilo swa basic va senda OTP ta fika pressa xinambara lexiya and then yeah loko i hundza la ta tlhela pressa accept terms and conditions again ka the following website and stuff like that so you know already nga register i ku log in again swilo swa simple fika pressa login and then i vekela your number phone na password fika nga swi rivali swilo sweswo then of course after ku tsala your password and number phone i ta va i login again so swi very important mi nga yi lahli password liya ku swi nga tshami kha swi mi hluphahlupha then loko ni twi swilo swa simple ku scroll leya hansi ntsena fika n'wi tlhava Nsuku then fika i n'wi votela ka 100 first vhela ni hi kota ku va hi n'wi nyiketa 200 votes tanihi sweswi mi swi tivaka very sungula hi vota on the mobile site as you can see here a hi pushing fast hi kota ku ya ka inani ka desktop site namuntlha a hi tirhisana i Chrome mara ta tlhela ni kombisa na leswi xin'wana xa Samsung internet for those who are using it and stuff like that loko hi to kwalano loko i fika pressa vote ntsena yeah that's basically it and then from here tani swi swi tivaka of course a swi kota ku va hi n'wi votela hi n'wi nyiketa 200 votes hi fika pressa dot tinharhu ti nga le henhla le ka Chrome vhele ka Chrome hi fika pressa la and then ya hansi ta fika kuma ku nga tsala ku desktop site yi kona kwala you click it and then yi ta cinca ya ka desktop inani leyi ku fanele ka laptop nyana so no ndlela kahle swi endla ngopfu hi foni because loko ni kha ni cheka la inani ti-stats vo tala mi va mi kha mi tirhisa tifoni ku va mi vona la ka channel so hence ni tirhisa ngopfu swo loko i na laptop swi simple ngopfu i to endle ka laptop ni le ka foni i to loga in ka foni and na foni tlhela loga in le ka laptop and stuff like that and still is the same thing loko yi cincini la is the same thing u fika tlhela n'wi pressa kambe Nsuku la and then u n'wi votela ka 100 year tani be pause until ndzeni ya fika le ka 100 ku swa hlupha yana mapresele ya kona la swi lava some patience i nga zama ku i zooma la ku kota ku pressa kahle swa hluphanyana mapresele ya kona la ka phone but you can try to zoom in and out swi lava some patience loko se i yise ka desktop side and then from there you vote so as easy as that hi va hi n'wi nyiketa 200 votes as you can see kwalano so lava tirhisaka i Samsung internet swi simple ngopfu kona ku na dot ta wena ti va ti ri hansi ngopfu ku yi le ka Samsung internet pressa le hansi le kahle any browser ku na tidot tinharhu ti nga kona hi leswi swilo swi endlisiwaka swona i ta fika tsala i kuma ku nga tsala ku desktop site or desktop view na la yi va yi ri kona fika pressa kwala ntsena kahle ti-browser hinkwato very sure swi endlisa sweswo as long as browser yi na desktop site is the same thing loko i lava ku cinca la i kota ku va yi cinca swi kota ku va swi viewa so i kota ku vota kambirhi by the way so after ku vota vhele if i na sim card timbirhi a ni ka the same phone ku fana na mina u fike i loga out i va i pressa xihlokwana le khoneni le xihlokwana xa wena i fike i pressa le i loga out i kota ku nghena hi sim card leyin'wana mara loko obviously i na sim card timbirhi ka different phones swi simple it means obviously i to loga in ka those two phones mara ku ri same phone i fika i loga out la i kota ku nghena hi account leyin'wana leswi ni nga ta ni kha ni endla swona mi sweswi or kahle xa best i ku va i nga loga in ka browser leyin'wana na leyin'wana ku ri i na ti-browser timbirhi ku fana na mina yeah you can do that I think naswo swi nga olovisa i va i save ti-password la ku i nga ha tshami kha i loga in naswo swi nga solve the issue yeah hi swin'wana swilo nga swi endlaka na swilo sweswo swi olovisa swilo because mina ni vhota hala ka Chrome tlhela ni vhota hala ka Samsung internet so ku na number phone ta ku hambana swilo swi nga fetela swi va swi pfunile na swoho and stuff like that wena mhaka liwa sweswi ni lava ku vhota loko ni heta la ni kota ku tlhela ni yisa ka desktop side ya leswi hi nga ta hi kha hi endlisa swo and stuff like that so ni halule ka Samsung internet hi kona hala hi tirhisaka desktop yo va hi fika hi pressa hi laha loko ni kota ku va kha ni vhota even then swilo swi va swi helerile leswi loko mi fike mi endlisa swona sweswo it's very very simple hi pressa nsuku hi vhota ya hi leswo ya so hi leswo so I voting guys I mean a nga wina simple go vhota hinkwenu I'm sure ku video leyi by 24 hours yi ta yi fixing 1000 views so it means loko ho ve hinkwenu of course hi endle this formula 1000 wa vanhu hi nga n'wi nyika 200,000 votes a nga wina simple hikwalaho ka master tin ntsena hi nga zangi hi ya na le handle loko ve hi ri serious ku vhota hi nga n'wi winisa very very simple ma yona mhaka leyo futhi loko se hi tlhe hi hlaya leswi hi veke hi n'wi nyika ta 400 votes hi ti-sim card timbirhi it's crazy mo ni kuma 400,000 you see hi 1000 wa vanhu ntsena wona ya hi leswo loko ku ri amukeza swi ska banda ku mi mi tlika subscribe
masiva mi tshika ku hi loya mi ku he u le Joni lembe hinkwaro i Joni le ma vo mi tshika ku hi loya mi pepechela ma swo hi le ku hluphekeni Joni loko hi famba hi kha hi tlama mati ni nga na no rheta sweswi foni we matini ma swo hi yo Joni ya hina le mi hi vulavulelaku yo makhuwani mi vulavulelaku mavito ma hina ntenga makhuwani hi yo Joni ya kole mi twa nga ri hi lo ku tweni kahle se hi twa kahle wa chumu hi lo ku hluphekini ma vo kaya mi nga ta swi vona leswi mapatu ma le kaya matiyini ko swi ta ku siku rin'wana hi khukhuliwa mi ta ku ya ku fi ya ri Joni a na swi n'wi fambela ku ve hi le ku retareteni ngo famba laha ngo kandziya laha ma swi hi le ku reteni tsika ngo hi pepechela